Hello, my name is Aliyah and I'm the representative of Destination Aruba. And the main reason why we are at a TravDay every year is because we get to see and meet new partners, and here is where the relationship starts, at TravDay.
Because we do a lot of business, we organize a lot of journeys for the retail in the Netherlands, and this is one of the most important shows to be presented, to make sure that we talk to everybody, that we are visible, and it's just a lot of fun.
Today we are at TravDay to meet the travel professionals, to present to them our products and solutions and get their direct feedback. And we present solutions such as Trip Boutique, also value hotels and hotels Quick Connect.
We are here today to find new partners, to work with partners that we've known before, to tell them about the novelties on our product and to let them know that we are the one to Latin America, and to make a very successful day.